Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the top 4 reasons to live the laptop lifestyle. Now before we get into them, just so you understand, living the laptop lifestyle means living that life that you've always dreamed of, right? It means living that life without the burdens, without the stress. It's living that life that we've always wanted and always hoped for. So, here we go. Reason number 1, you'll be able to create your own flexible schedule. Living the laptop lifestyle means you'll be able to create your own flexible schedule where you'll be able to choose when to work and when to do other activities such as exercising or whether that would be hanging with friends or family. Right? You'll be able to choose what you want to do day by day and not have anyone else tell you what to do. Reason number 2, places to see and people to meet. By living the laptop lifestyle, you'll actually be able to create opportunities for yourself to travel the world. If you have places you want to visit, you'll be able to check them off your bucket list while you can. Why wait for the retirement check to do it, right? Why wait until you're 90 years old and you finally saved every penny you have to start traveling the world? You're not even going to feel like it then. So you'll be able to do it faster and sooner by living the laptop lifestyle and working from home. Number 3, take back control of your life. Someone else won't determine your daily habits and routines, right? If your boss or manager is telling you what you have to do hour by hour, really, you're not the one controlling your life. They are. And you'll also be able to control your paycheck as well. Instead of waiting every 2 weeks for that paycheck to come, you'll be able to get paid weekly and daily on your own terms and determine when you get paid, right? So you won't have to, hope and hope for that check to finally come for you to get your income. And last but not least, number 4 is the freedom. This is a big one. All of your inner anxiety and stress will actually be replaced by inner peace. You'll be able to spend precious time on this earth enjoying the life that you want. So, getting this freedom is very crucial. This is important for our health and our well-being as well. There are science and statistics that show that, living 9 to 5 every single solitary day is very stressful and can be very poor for our well-being. So having that freedom, you'll actually be able to live healthier as well. So that's a very big factor. So this was a video, guys, I just wanted to make to show you why you should work every single day towards the laptop lifestyle. Even if you do have a job right now, work that 5 to 9 on your side hustle and really get to where you want to be, because the laptop lifestyle is something that will make us more happier as well. It makes us much more happy as human beings. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some information out of it. Hope it motivated you as well. You can leave a comment, tell me what you think. Do you have other reasons why the laptop lifestyle is important? Comment below. Give the video a like. You can even share it with someone else. So thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Take care. Bye.